Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to activate Nomad eSIM on your mobile phone. So first of all, you need to open your mobile phone settings and you need to find cellular or mobile service like this and click on it. After you will go on this page, you need to select Add eSIM and you will have two options. You can transfer from nearby iPhone or you can use the QR code to activate the eSIM. So let's click the second option, use the QR code, and this will open our camera, guys. We need to scan the QR code, or if we want to enter the details manually, you can click the button in the bottom, and right here you can enter SMTP plus address and activation code, then confirm the code and click the next button in the top right. After that, you will activate your eSIM on your mobile phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.